Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy scrap heart appliques. So let's get started. Check out my next video to find out how to make these easy butterfly appliques. Use 3 different colors of fabric. Draw a heart shape on paper and cut it out. I put a link below for a printable heart. Trace around the heart shape on the back side of your fabric, and then cut roughly around it. No need to be exact. For felt, cut exactly on the lines of the heart. Now place another contrasting color of fabric anywhere on the heart. Cut away the extra fabric. And here's the felt version. Place another color fabric on a different slant. And here's the felt version. Cut away the extra fabric. Cut 2 lengths of yarn, slightly larger than the heart. Zigzag over the yarn to cover the edge of the fabric. For the felt version, hand stitch a running stitch on the edges. Turn the heart over and straight stitch all around the outside edge. Cut away the fabric close to the stitching line, and then zigzag all around the outside edge. And give it a good press with an iron. For the felt version, sew a blanket stitch all the way around. You can use it plain like this, or add some details with stitches. And in this section, I'll just make these little 3-stroke. And to do that, I just make one straight line, like that, and then come back in and do one slanted line on each side like that. And that's how that will look finished, and your applique will be ready. And that's how easy it is to make some heart appliques with scraps of fabric. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Check out my next video to find out how to make these easy butterfly appliques.